Hello. Today I'm going to explain how to install CLIM ART in-channel wind deflectors. Open the packaging and remove the set of rain guards and installation kit from the pack. Roll the windows all the way down. Each set is equipped with degreasing wipes. Use them before starting the installation process. Use the degreasing wipes to clean the inner surface of the window channel. Remove the adhesive backing tape from each end of the deflector. Insert the front end first. Make sure the front end of the deflector is between the mirror cap and the rubber trim. It shouldn't slide inside the window channel. Rotate the deflector up and slide the edges into the window channel. To ensure proper installation and better adhesion, we recommend using the plastic blade from the kit. Roll up the window, slightly pulling the rain guard outwards. Leave the window closed for at least 24 hours. Rear side visor installation. Roll the window down and repeat the preparation process. Peel off the protective liner tape. Starting at the back, slide the visor up into the window channel. Note: place the visor frame between the fastening brackets and the rubber seal. Use the plastic blade to ensure proper installation. Roll up the window, slightly pulling the rain guard outwards, and leave it closed for at least 24 hours so that the rubber trim takes the form of the deflector. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side of your vehicle. Sometimes the anti-pinch system triggers the installed in-channel deflectors. This can happen if the rubber inside the window channel has aged or frozen in cold weather. Note: if the anti-pinch system triggers the installed deflectors, roll the side windows all the way down, slightly pull the deflectors outwards, and close the window several times and leave it closed for 24 hours. I hope that the explanation was clear for you. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below.